If your ChatGPT subscription renewal is failing and blocking your access to Plus or Pro features, here is exactly how to fix it and keep your account active in under a minute. Open your browser and immediately go to your settings to clear browser cache and cookies. This is the most common reason for payment loops because your browser might be holding on to an expired session token that prevents the new transaction from triggering. Once that is done, refresh the page and try to process the payment again through the Upgrade or Renew button in your sidebar. If the payment still doesn't go through, open your banking app and verify payment details to ensure no security blocks have been placed on international transactions. Often, banks flag OpenAI as an automated recurring charge and pause it for your protection. If you see a declined message, contact your bank and ask them to whitelist the merchant. If you are still stuck, try using a different valid payment method entirely by clicking on Manage Subscription and adding a new card to your profile. OpenAI has officially identified an ongoing issue where a renewal glitch is preventing a specific group of users from processing their payments, even when their credit cards are perfectly valid. They have already deployed a mitigation fix and are currently in a monitoring phase to ensure services return to normal. This isn't a problem with your money, it's a technical breakdown in how the billing system communicates with the subscription database. The good news is that OpenAI typically offers a 7 to 10-day grace period after a failed payment before you lose full access to your Pro Tools. This gives you a massive window to get this resolved without losing your custom GPTs or data analysis features. To stay updated on the fix in real time, you can visit status.openai.com to see when they officially move from monitoring to a full resolution. This issue usually happens because of a handshake error between the payment processor and the user's local browser data, which is why clearing your cache is such a critical first step. By wiping that local data, you force the ChatGPT interface to request a fresh billing handshake, which often bypasses the glitch entirely. Stick to these steps and your access should remain uninterrupted while OpenAI finishes the backend repairs. If this helped you get back into ChatGPT, hit that like button and subscribe so you never lose access to your favorite AI tools.